Hello guys, today I will teach you how to add a tracking page to your Shopify store for completely free. This way you can save a ton of subscription money from all the apps that are available on Shopify. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 is going to tdcdigitalAgency.com/track template. The link is down in the description. First, put your name and email and get your free code that you can then embed into your Shopify store. After we download the file, we're going to get a code just like this one. We copy the code and then go back to Shopify. Then inside your online store, go to Pages, Add Page, and this page we're going to put the name Track Order. And we're going to click Show HTML. And we're going to paste the code we just downloaded. Just like that, we save. And we're ready to go. If we preview the page, this is what your customers are going to see when they want to track their packages. Let's test the code with one of my customers' tracking numbers. We paste it and we track. As you can see, your customers can see their tracking information from start to finish provided by 17track. Then you can go inside navigation to add your track order page inside your main menu and your footer menu. We click main menu, add menu item, track order. We click pages, track order, and we add it. We save the menu. And then we can add it to our footer also. Click footer menu, add menu item, track order, link, pages, track order, and we click add. Save menu, and then it's saved. We can preview our page. And we have it right here, track order, and we also have it here in the footer, track order. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that will save you a ton of money from subscription apps just like these ones. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want more e-commerce and digital marketing tips. So, see you in the next one.